Hello, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I'm the owner of the TrustIsYou.com and a podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. I want to teach as many U.S. business owners, 1099 income earners, and also investors how to save federal taxes. The Spendthrift Trust is legal, copywritten, in the IRS Tax Code 643B. Today, we're going to talk about U.S. business owners and 1099 income earners and why they should have the Business Spendthrift Trust. The Business Spendthrift Trust is going to save you in 4 very important ways. Number 1, federal taxes year after year, generation after generation. What would you do if you could save 5 figures, 6 figures, or maybe even 7 figures on federal taxes every single year? Would you pay off your house? Would you get a new vehicle? Would you start a charity? Would you have another location? Would you start another business? This is as legal can be, and you can use your money any which way you like. Number 2, it's going to keep your information 100% private. There's a false rumor out there that your LLC, S Corp, or C Corp does that. I can write a Freedom of Information letter to the Secretary of State or the Corporation Commission with a stamped envelope, and I will get all the information about your LLC. 40% of all LLCs every year are actually sued. You can't be sued with the Spendthrift Trust. That's number 3. I can't stop you from being sued, but if everything's in the trust, the only person that can sue is yourself, and I'm worth nothing. I have no money that can't be paid back. Beautiful thing. And then number 4, if you are not aware of the 2024 Corporate Transparency Act from the Treasury Department, this is paperwork for the Anti-Money Laundering Act of 2020. If you're currently an LLC doing business as or corporation, you don't have to do this paperwork until January 1st of 2025. If you start a new LLC doing business as or corporation in 2024, you have 3 months or 90 days to do the paperwork. If you do not do the paperwork, listen up. You could be charged $10,000 or 2 years in jail or both. $10,000 or 2 years in jail or both. And if you do the paperwork incorrectly, you could be charged $500 a day. That also includes Saturday and Sunday. Or you can have the Spendthrift Trust and don't have to worry about the paperwork. Beautiful thing. Now, with the Business Spendthrift Trust, it is going to save business owners and 1099 income earners at least 90% of their federal taxes year after year, generation after generation. I don't care what you're doing. I don't care if you have a brick and mortar store, if you have a restaurant, if you're a franchisee, if you have a side hustle, if you have an Etsy store, if you have an eBay store. I'm going to share my screen and show you some of my clients that are saving at least 90%. All these numbers are 90%. Most of my clients save between 90 to 95% every single year in federal taxes. Personally, in 2022, I saved 92% on my 3 online businesses. I only paid 8%. Beautiful thing. A mechanic. This is a husband and wife in New Jersey. They run their own mechanic store. They're saving both federal income taxes and state income taxes. The hair salon owner also has a school in Los Angeles. Again, she's saving federal income taxes and state income taxes. A Shopify owner who sells earrings in Utah. Her store is getting more and more popular. Right now, for the past 9 months, we use her last 9 months where she started exploding, and we're going to save her $17,338. The more she sells, the more she saves, or more taxes she'll save. A home inspection company in Ohio. They have 9 technicians that go out and inspect, but husband and wife run this home inspection company. They're going to save over $73,000 every single year. A real estate broker in North Carolina. He has 9 agents under him. We're going to save him almost $60,000. A dentist in California. His wife is a school teacher. I can't touch her W-2 income, but we took the dental practice out of the LLC, which was affecting their taxes. It's going to have its own EIN number. We're lowering their taxes from 32% down to 24%. We're going to save them almost $30,000 a year, and they're thinking that she might not go back to teaching next year, and then take their 2 young children who are in daycare take them out of daycare. An HVAC owner. This is actually came from a business broker. We helped sell the HVAC company in Georgia. And the gentleman who bought the HVAC company, when he saw he could save over 6 figures, he too got the business trust. A real estate agent here in North Carolina. She sold a house on August 31st, 2023, and she saved on that one house $5,022 in 1099 income. A business coach in Ohio. He does one-on-one and also group coaching. He's going to save almost over $58,000. An Etsy store owner, they're going to save $17,000 per year. A gentleman with 4 sub shops in the Pittsburgh area, he's going to save over $40,000 a year. A real estate broker is going to save over $60,000. I think I have them on there twice. I'm sorry if I do. An Amazon store owner, kind of a fun story. She got laid off back in April of 2000. She started her Amazon store to sell dog chew toys. She's now making over $12,000 a month, and it's growing and growing. And then commercial lighting. All these people are either small business owners or 1099 income earners. They can save 5, 6, or 7 figures every single year in federal taxes. You too can save federal taxes. I'm inviting you to come out to set up a 10-minute, I'm talking wrong. I'm inviting you to set up a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me so we can see how much you're paying. There are 7 layers to taxes. It's going to be between 10% to 37%. There are 4 different ways to file taxes: married jointly, married separately, head of household, or single. This trust is as legal can be. It's in the IRS Tax Code 643B. I work on behalf of a law firm that has a patent or has a copywritten on the Benson Financial Trust for the past 72 years. Not any of the trusts have ever been audited. One trust was examined 7 years ago by a senior IRS agent. He spent about 3 hours looking things over and signed off on it. Please, if you want to save federal income taxes and state income taxes, please set up an appointment with me. I'm going to share my screen, www.thetrustisyou.com/scheduling. Or if you would like to tell other people how they too can save taxes, I do have an affiliate program. If you become my affiliate and you refer people to me, they buy a trust. When I get paid by the law firm, I will either Zelle you the money, Cash App the money, PayPal the money, write a check, or wire you $600 for being my affiliate. I want to teach as many U.S. business owners and 1099 income earners how they too can save federal taxes just like the rich do. This is the same trust the Rockefellers, the DuPonts, the Kennedys, O.J. Simpson, and other people have. You should know about this also. If you go out to my website, www.thetrustisyou.com, I do have a video out there that goes over everything, but I want to teach you how you too can save money. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.